Hey guys, what's up? So, hope you guys are doing well. My buddy Travis here got a Tough Stuff Overland Stealth Series aluminum hard shell tent. So we're gonna kind of do a small unboxing video of it. Enjoy. So it had one piece of foam. Looks like about a inch and a half thick, or about an inch thick. Came in a cardboard box. Immediately you see that there's the mounting hardware on top. And shrink wrap.
Shipping from Tuff Stuff was excellent. The freight carrier they used, once it got to Phoenix, was horrible. 3-day turnaround, ordered it Sunday, got it technically Wednesday, didn't show up on my door till Thursday.
So, Tough Stuff, you did a great job. The carrier, not so much. Like he said, it was supposed to have been, it was almost like 2 days, and then they kept delaying it. So, and they had it here in town, and then they just shipped out. But, so let's check out the mounting hardware. So right out the gate in your box, you have, looks like, that's the ladder cover, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
The manual. Repair kit.
I don't know what that
Right.
is. Tools.
Yeah.
Came with the ratchet. Bolts. Some heavy duty mounts with some rubber.
Good job. Tough stuff. And both the tool and the mount.
Some more caps. And some other mounting hardware.
Okay. Just this alone makes it everything happen. Ratcheting. And then, oh, there's the cord for the lights.
Cool.
Perfect.
I got this.
Here you go.
That's it. Easy peasy.
Okay, so once you and your friend, because you can't do it by yourself unless you're Arnold, you're gonna put these brackets in, U-shape up, bolt in on top of it, and then you're gonna have to have someone on both sides kind of push it, like one lift, one pushes it in, and then the padded brackets, which is a really nice touch, they will go on next, and then you'll have the tool that they give you to crank it down. We're getting there now, but he's measuring it out, make sure it's level on both sides. So, but you guys gotta check this out, kind of a sneak preview. To me, it kind of reminds me of like a Australian or African overland vehicle. Kind of give that really cool look. All right, we'll check back in with you guys in a minute. I'm excited. First time opening. Oh yeah. You gotta take that that strap down to right there. The one that's holding that.
I don't think so.
No?
Do you?
Yeah, try opening it. No. Alright, so lesson learned in real time, guys. This strap right here. And shoot it like a bungee cord. Crunchy.
Cool.
Sweet. All right, we got it all set up. And we got the lights. So they change between amber, cool, white, and something else. Here's the inside of the tent. So we got 2, 4, 6 pockets right in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 side pockets. Pretty decent size skylight. Windows on both sides. Mattress, I want to say, is probably about 2 inches thick. It's not the squishiest, but it's really nice quilt pattern. Turn on my camera light to give you better. So, here we go. So, you can change the color. Turn this back off. Alright, now it's just the light of the tent.
Go back to that blue.
Have a cool white light. Yeah, that's a Tough Stuff Stealth Black Ops series. That is a really cool looking tent. Sorry, took a little longer than we wanted to. The sun kind of went down faster than we thought. What's nice is that with that, you can actually kind of cook or get ready, or in the middle of the night, you can find your tent. Really sweet. Well, guys, that's it for now. So, catch you a little later.